absolutely you would pass. You'd pass with flying colors here. They start you off with 0 points.
And then don't they add like the more good things you do and then they take things off?
No, you don't gain points for doing the correct.
Okay, so you gain
correct.
points when you do things wrong.
Yep.
Right, so it's like golf almost.
It's golf, yeah, keep your score
Yeah.
under par. It's like your demerit point system. When
you get demerit points, it's bad.
Yeah, exactly. So you want to keep your score at 0.
Okay.
And so just like really, I'm going to do the test myself now, and you're just going to watch, and I'm going to talk through it. So I'm just going to memorize what we did here. Left signal at Montrose. Right turn onto LaSalle. You want both lanes to be empty. When you're reversing to do your when you're going forward, when you do your 3-point turn.
Yeah.
After you back up, you want to signal left and then move forward to finish the 3-point turn.
Yeah.
So you didn't put your left signal on.
Oh, okay.
Your right turn at a stop sign, you were too far away from the curb. So
I need to go more.
You just kind of close that gap of space here beside you.
Right, so people don't. Right,
Yeah.
okay.
Hill parking, so your vehicle position was a little too far away from the curb.
Yeah, I did realize.
So when you rolled backwards,
It
the
did.
back of the car was just out a little bit.
Yeah.
And then you told me that you forgot to turn your wheels, but I didn't see it because I was writing that down. So
Yeah.
And yes, using the camera, you're looking at it a little bit too long, so just more looking around. Just ignore it if you can.
Yeah.
It's okay if you just kind of quickly glance at it, but just move your eyes away
Yeah.
from that camera, because if you're staring at it, then they'll think, oh, she's going to rely on that thing instead of on her eyes, right? Look around.
Right.
Okay,
So if on the test, if you do look at it just to make sure your car's in the right position when you're backing up, would they like dock marks if you just look at it for like a second just to see?
No, that's fine. It's just like using your mirrors. You use your mirrors sparingly when
Yeah.
you're reversing. Your primary line of sight should be over your shoulder, both shoulders basically, as you're
Yeah.
backing up. You're just doing a lot of this, looking around and
mirrors.
glancing at your mirrors, your 2 mirrors.
Yeah.
So it's like check your mirror, look around, check your mirror, look around.
Yeah.
And you can also do the same thing with that. It's just a quick glance, just like you do with your mirrors.
Okay.
Okay. All right, so let's switch over, and I'm going to do this myself.
Okay.
You're going to be you're my observer. So
Okay.
just going to cover the camera here. So you're not on dash cam.
Okay.
All right.